Must be a beehive here somewhere. But that's where we're going, down that valley.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just a nice quiet ride.
Oh, absolutely.
There's been a lot of roadworks down here. I think now it's all sealed,
Yeah.
but we might come across the odd patch.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes referred to as the gentle landing, because you have to take it reasonably easy down here. There's typically enough room for one vehicle to come one way, so I can't remember who has right away up and down traffic, but just have to be aware that there could be other traffic. Now, there's not a lot of traffic on this road, and you'll see from the surroundings as we go up this road that it can get a bit Jurassic looking. And it's very, very pretty up here. That I'm on right now, if you go back through some of my older videos going back a couple of years, when they had all the major flooding through here, all of this was all slipped away, and I came through just on a mud track on this pitch. So if you want to go back through some of the older videos on this one, it'll be interesting to see the changes between how it was after the floods into how it is now. As I say, there's been a lot of major roadworks here, and with some of the work I've been doing through Allied Workforce, I was involved with widening part of this road, and I'll show you where that section is when we get there. looking up here, there's a site just over here to my left where earth movers were dumping and reclaiming, I guess, filling in all this area along here, and where it bends around again, they were filling in all over there, just up here a little bit to my left. So this is unsealed, and that's where the road used to go there. So this is all new, brand new. And the area I was talking about where they were dumping, filling in all of that was just a very deep hole. So they filled in all of that. Now, this is the section that I was involved with, working in here. That's one of the rollers I was driving. Yep, I can hear him. Not sure what happened. You alright?
I was being cheeky and I thought I could go down the tarmac.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you know the work I've been doing with, just turn that off for a minute. You know the work I told you I was doing with Allied Workforce, doing temporary work? Well, this is the section I was working on.
Oh, okay.
I was driving that part of it. Now what that is a compacting roller, and all of that earth there was just a big hole, and all day truck after truck after truck would come from up there. So I'm not sure what it's like up there. We're filling in that hole, but also this is the road. But all of this was at the level of that paddock down there, and so we cut out all these trees, and the trucks would dump dirt in, the digger would spread it out, and I would use this thing to go up and down and compact it down. So they're going to widen the road. And so that's the type of work after the flooding a couple of years ago that they've done all the way up here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's it like to drive then?
Oh, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Looks like a machine.
All right, let's go.
Right.
Here we go. Yeah, so this is the section of road that I was involved with, compacting all of this down layer by layer by layer, building it up from way down there. So this part here is the original road, and it's widening all the way up to there. What it's like further up. So there's a section up here where they've moved a lot of dirt and taken it back down there, so we're going to see a lot of earth moving works and so forth as we come up here. Yeah, all of this, I guess. So a lot of loose chip under my wheels. Few one-lane bridges on this stretch of road. So you just got to be mindful of other traffic. As much as I might do, but I'm just taking in the scenery as well, because I don't come up here very often, and it's very pretty up here. Alright, what have we got here? Trucks crossing, righto. Okay. So I can actually remember a time when a lot of this was actually gravel unsealed, so it's kind of nice having it sealed now. That's when I was a teenager, of course, a number of years ago now. Atene, which is just a little bit further ahead of us, which is an interesting part of the river, because somewhere before history the river took a different route slightly and formed an island, did a loop round on itself and made an island, like a pinhead type thing. But at some point the river punched through and diverted the flow of the river, and the area that I'm talking about is, you can see that peak just over there, that's the Atene peak, and that's the portion of the island, and you can do the Atene skyline walk around there, which takes 8 hours. I've never done it, but it's a very beautiful walk. I've seen photos of it, and my brother's done it. There's also a geocaching point up there somewhere. See that peak there?
Yeah.
There's an 8-hour skyline walk you can do around that. That's Atene.
Okay.
Now, before history, the river did a dogleg here, went around that and came out here. You can see the point where the river came back out.
Yeah.
But at some point the river punched through and it comes around here now. But you can, if you got just a little bit higher, you can see the old riverbed. It's all grasslands now, but it's a nice loop around that island and back again. Yeah.
Nice out here, isn't it?
Oh yeah. So yeah, that's an interesting place, and if you look at it from Google Earth, and I'm going to post some photos as well, of what it looks like, but there's a bit of interest there. Okay. Yeah. So there's the river flow there, comes around there, but years ago it used to come out through here. This used to be the flow. So as I say, the ancient river flow used to be through here, and it goes around this island and comes out here. But at some point before history, the river punched through here and it diverted the flow around this island. Right, and this is where the river used to flow through this way, but it punched through here somehow and diverted the flow that way.